That kid's been on a tear. 10-year-old Navies are on the track. Got Johnson, Gehring, and Wildish. They're running in that order. Wyatt Johnson running out front right now. Got Hunter Gehring sitting on the 2. Gehring looking for a way by. He's setting up the high-low in the second from the last turn. Out. He follows in, follows suit. Looks like coming back to the line. We got a race. 103 bike. Going to get the win. 70 bike going to get the 2, and a Sassy Cat, Leo Wildish, is going to get the 3. 11-year-old intermediates are on the track. Got Seligoski, Bed, Swen, and Bennett. Bennett coming back to the line. 32 bike going to get the win. Swen going to get the 2. 68 bike. Seligoski going to get the 3. 13-year-old Navies are on.